Alright, we're at Clementine Lake Trail. And also, I didn't want to do this vlog, so I guess I have to do it for him. Alright. Got a little his family here. Oh, wait, you guys already paid for it? Oh, hey, Alice.
Oh, I don't know if I can make it, guys.
You will make it. Oh my god. This is why we're going on the hike, Alice.
We are here in Auburn. Hey, what's the name of this hiking place?
Clementine Lake, bro.
Clementine
I did the intro
Lake.
for you already.
Oh, you did already?
Yeah.
God damn it. Alright. Intro was done by Ying. Run, Sherry. Oh, car coming. Never mind, don't run. You done me say what's up?
Wait, what's up?
No jumping from bridge. Ying, don't do it, Ying. Don't do it. We still love you, man. No, we still love you. Okay, all right.
And we were like hella drinking. Some dog got friends.
What's up? I'll pause it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just saying that there's 44 people that have drowned since 1986.
Not yet.
Guys, the first hill that we're walking up.
Go. First hill. Ooh.
I can't make it.
You know what? I'm gonna take every step you take. Oh, that's it. First downhill. Let's go.
Top of the world, guys.
I got older, so I go better.
Oh, that's good.
Then
We are now under this bridge. Kind of beautiful out here. That looks like a pretty cool swimming spot there. I don't know, water look crazy though. First swimming hole. Let's check it out. I'll go check it out. Có cái món à?
오, 내 거야.
그거 지 뭐야? cái món
내 거 왜? 정거지.
Trong America.
너 아메리카.
응? Nhìn chua. What's up, people? Today marks day number 7. Me not smoking. Who's counting though? You know what I mean? Who's counting, Sherry? Who's counting, Sherry? You? Oh, damn, yeah.
Shut up!
Next time I won't stop. I listen to my heart.
Alicia, come on. That's a determined woman right there. Alice.
Hi.
Hey, how do you feel about my day 7 of not smoking?
Great.
Feel great?
I think it's awesome.
I don't think you feel anything because you're not on board. When you gonna hop on board?
I'm gonna start off like really
Slow.
just smoking on the weekend.
Oh, you gonna be a weekend smoker? All right. That's cool. Thank you for the support.
On the way.
I will support your weekend smoking too. Yeah. Zoom in over there. See a waterfall. Yep. You were all the way down there. It's a pretty simple hike. Not too hard on the thighs here. Not really. Coming back up here is not gonna be fun, guys. Try to hit the butterfly? No, he didn't. He's a killer one. He flew that way. What's up? Oh, I hear it. I hear it. I know. Made it to the dam. Damn, that's a big dam. What's on the other side? Oh, shit. God damn. Ah, there it is. That's dope, dude. Oh, dude, what the hell? Yeah. Look at this girl right here. That's probably one of her best selfies. That don't stop though. What's up, Sherry? Guys, turn around. Say hi to the camera. No, why you always do that? Where? Go. Oh man, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Oh
biết tôi về sông Clementine. Ủa gọi đi trong cơ. Nó phải có gì mai ở đây. Vì tôi trong cơ. Tôi hơi sắp lá nó mò. Nó nói xác hành cơ.
All right, guys, hiking's done. How was it?
It was awesome.
It was amazing. Thumbs up. Oh shoot. Thumbs up, thumbs down.
I don't recommend this place at all.
No, thumbs up. Okay.
Like, I fell off that bridge.
Shuri, stop.
See that bridge right there?
Yeah.
I fell off that bridge right there, so
Hey,
I don't
hey.
recommend.
Look on the good side. You're alive.
See, my pants like hella wet.
Peace.
Size of the pitch.